in that balloon?
N2O, nitrous oxide.
$5 a pop for laughing gas?
They sell it for 10 at Ogallala Land.
What land?
Ogallala Land. It's a music festival.
And who are they?
They are different. They're not really a part of the community.
Hey, what's going on? Thank you. Let me ask you something. How many balloons do you think you get out of one of them tanks?
350? Why?
I like numbers. What do you know about nitrous oxide?
Already drove?
I was talking to this kid. He says one of those tanks makes about 350 balloons at $10 a pop. He also said there's this concert coming to town, something with a crazy name.
Ogallala Land Festival?
Right. Now let's just say you got 10 tanks there, 3 nights, $10 a pop.
It's a little over $100 grand.
That's right.
So how do I figure in all this?
Technically, this is a restaurant, right?
That's debatable, but yeah, technically.
So you can buy nitrous in bulk. Like if you had a sudden need for a ton of whipped cream.
Come to think of it, I just might.
Self a little.